Hey guys, how's it going? Hope your day's going well. This video is to show you where I planted those 15 perennials that I got in the plant haul in the last video. I said I would let you know where I planted them. So here we go. This is one of the four Heliopsis burning hearts. You can see they're in this bed here that is on the south side of the driveway. You can also see that this bed is packed full of stuff, which I tend to do and then have to move things around, but I don't have any problem with that. You can see they're doing well. It's been so hot and humid here over the past couple of weeks that I was more focused in paying all my attention on my containers and forgot about these 15 perennials that I had just planted. And they started not looking, some of them started not looking so well. This was one of them. This one particular plant was really droopy. But you can see the green, the dark leaves, foliage and stuff, foliages, and everything's looking good. I'll back up and show you this south side of the bed a little more so you can get the whole picture of it. And let me see if I can, if I got there, you can see that's a little corner half moon here on the south side of the driveway. And you can also see here the other three, well, two of the remaining three Heliopsis burning hearts. And they're looking nice and healthy. And the fourth one is right in there on the other side of that viburnum, and it's looking good and healthy. Now we'll move over here to so that's 4 of the 15. And then now, sorry that I'm moving so fast, guys. And we'll move over here and show you the 5 Spigelia little redhead. There's 2 of them here on that side of that dahlia. And then here's the other 3. Making a little drift right here. That dahlia will be in a different location next year. So we'll have a drift here of these little redheads with the Puckster blue, which is blooming like crazy. And also you can see I need to do some deadheading. It just prolifically is blooming this year, and the bees and the butterflies, hummingbirds, hummingbird moths, everybody are just feasting on them. This actually will be like a little red, and then there's a couple of Daisy May daisies, but right now that aren't blooming. So, but I just planted those this year. So here we have red, white, and blue corner here, I guess, is what we'll call it. But anyway, there's those 5, and then we had the 4 Heliopsis, so that's 9 of the 15 plants. Excuse me. In here, you can see 2 more of them in way of the Sweet Romance lavender right there. I'm going to love those, I think. They're looking fabulous right there. And I'm going to have to get some more Sweet Romance lavender. I love that blue-green foliage. So that's now got us up to 11 of the 15 plants. We'll walk around here and find the other. Here's 2 more. Here's the Agastache yellow, Kudos yellow, which is kind of losing most of its yellow. But you know, this is the first year. It's just been in the ground a couple of weeks. Went through a little bit of the transplant shock. You can also notice that I've got a tomato plant stuck right there in between them. That won't be there obviously next year. Here, let me back up a little bit again, and so you can get a little bit of a better look at what's going on. So those will be in there. I've noticed, actually, I was out here one day on the other side of this bed, and there was a hummingbird sitting there right there on that tomato cage, and then he'd get down, he or she, whatever it was, would get down and sample the agastache, and then get back up there and sit down for a while and rest, and then get some more agastache. Excuse me, I've got a tickle in my throat this evening. And then that's got us to 13, and then here's the other two. The hyssop called Black Adder, another agastache hyssop here, and then right there behind it is the Gara, the pink. Now, these have just been planted. This bed isn't complete yet. I'm going to expand this bed. Take it, you can see, let me back up a little here, so you can see it's a half moon, and I'm going to take right here and go on out on each side out to the sidewalk and make this bed right that full size. And then here I'll back up from where I was just a minute ago. That's the north side of the driveway, obviously. The little half moon. It's bigger than the other side because of the lot and stuff. But there's where I planted those 15 plants. More than likely, several of them will be moved. That's just how I am. I can't vision stuff until it's actually in the ground and I see it. You can see that the hydrangea standards, called Phantom, are doing well even after the deer decimated them. Here's a new bloom on a dahlia that just popped up today. So that's it for those 15 plants. And I'm in the process here of making me a little rock garden. That's not 100% where those stones are going to stay, but I'm just moving them around for now, or brought them around here to this area. I'll be working on that. I'll keep you updated on this. I'll show you that process when I actually get more serious about it. Those little bags hanging there, those are deer repellent. I constantly have to do things to keep deer and rabbit from eating things, and I still get a little deer damage, but not too terrible damage, knock on wood. So thanks for watching. I'm hoping and praying that you're having a great day and a better week. And thanks for watching. Have a good one. Later.